Hi, welcome to the Rough Guide to Econ. This video is about the issue of public goods and why they are a cause of market failure. Public goods are those defined as being both non-excludable and non-rival. Non-excludable means that once you have provided the good, you cannot prevent people from benefiting from it. Usually, people are excluded from a good by having to pay a price for it. For example, if you want a burger from a fast food chain, you will only get one if you pay for it. However, once a public good is produced, anyone can benefit from it. For example, if a street light is provided, no individual can be prevented from benefiting from the light to help them see their way home or be safer at night. Non-rival means that once a good has been consumed, it is no longer able to provide the same benefit to another person. For example, if you eat a burger, there will not be the same satisfying meal available to the next person. However, if you have walked under a street light and benefited from it, this makes no difference to the next person who wished to walk under it. It would not make sense to try and prevent people from using it. If extra benefit can occur without additional cost, it would be allocatively inefficient to exclude anyone. These issues lead to the free rider problem. If someone can benefit from the provision of a good without paying for it, then why would they want to contribute rather than benefit for free? A lot of people would choose to take the free ride and spend their money elsewhere. In addition, once others see that they are paying for the benefit of others who are not contributing, they too are also reluctant to contribute. As a result of this, very few public goods would be provided to the market, as effective demand would be very small, and thus the market would fail to provide the allocatively efficient amount. An additional factor in this is the marginal benefit of public goods. One instance of a public good, like a park, generates a marginal benefit that is the summation of the benefits of all the people that use that park combined together. That could be hundreds of thousands of people. Now imagine a public good like asteroid protection that potentially benefits every life on the planet. That is a significant marginal benefit. This means that when the market does not provide the good, the loss of social welfare can be very large, which is a significant market failure. Other examples of public goods include lighthouses, national defence, mosquito control, GPS, the results of research or journalistic investigation, even conducting post-mortems on the deceased. In some circumstances, people will get together in communities or groups and fund services that might fall into this category. Examples might be community radio stations, churches, or local parks. But this is unlikely to be the case for most public goods of significance. In order to have public goods in society, we are usually going to have to rely on taxation and government spending. This is not always going to achieve allocative efficiency, as there is no price mechanism to guide decisions and no clear incentives for innovation. Politicians have to decide on the social costs and benefits of provision as well as political implications, and this can be a messy process, even in democracies. There is also the issue of forced riders, those who are made to pay for something through taxation even if they do not benefit themselves or benefit by less than they pay. An additional point here is that it is important to distinguish the terms public and merit. Public goods are all merit goods, but not all merit goods are public goods. This means that public goods are a subset of merit goods. As a final point, please remember that the definition of public goods is only that something is non-excludable and non-rival. A common mistake is to think that a public good is one provided by the government. However, the government provides many things that are not public goods, like schools or public transport, and doesn't provide some things that are like asteroid protection.